Okay, here we are again. This is the second bowl. I'm just doing a quick walk around. This is one of the bowls that we have spare. And we're walking around seeing the whole view. This space right here where my hand is, this is where that detangler would go. The springs would be ejecting through the top, out here where my finger's coming out of, into the bowl, spin around, or the detangler, sorry, spin around, and they spit out and go into here. And we walk around, walk around, walk around. And this is the spot where we blow off the ones that are caught with the half a wire size bigger than the spring diameter. And I'm going to hold this over when I can't see what I'm shooting, but hopefully we get it in the shot. That's what that looks like. Might have worked, might not. And we work ourselves way around. It comes around and along this inline. And we'll back up. And there's the overall thing on the stand. Numbers that matter to you. The height of the stand. The height to here is about 4 feet. The discharge height as it comes out the inline right here is about 5 foot 5 inches. And the top edge of the bowl is about 6 foot 2. It's a 21-inch diameter bowl. You were asked about the drive mechanisms. I was asked about the drive mechanisms. So there is the electromagnet that gets the thing buzzing, and on the inline there's the electromagnet that gets it buzzing, and this is all 120 volt stuff. The inline pulls 2 amps. The bowl is probably pulling about 4.5 or 5 amps. It's pulling 4 amps. I found the label right there, and you can pull the label and you can see that 4 amps. And there's one for the inline, which is at 2 amps. And we successfully ran 2 bowls at the same time with the inlines and the bowl, all off of one 15 amp 120 volt circuit. So there's no problem there. I think that should just about cover it. There's the big counterweight on the bowl for balancing to handle all the mass on the other stuff. Ontario made stuff for us. It was custom made by an automation guy, the only one that came around that said he could do this. So there we are. Here's the little air service that handles the air jets, which were basically always on. There was no puffs, it was just a very small stream. And I'll zoom up one more time and you can hopefully see the very tiny nozzles that are on the tips. I think that the final tip, the little bit of tube that's brazed in there or silver soldered in there, the outside diameter of the tube is maybe a 16th, and the hole inside it is whatever you can get a hole in the 16th tube. It's a very fine jet that's just supposed to catch that last little bit of spring that blows off. And here we are, same length of video as the last time. That should work. I'm gonna hit stop and go to email now. You know how to find me if you have any questions.